Welcome to today's video, guys.
Today we're making brownies.
Yay.
And it's now 1 in the morning.
Yes. For once. Come, we need to get all the stuff out.
No, we're missing someone. I don't know where they could be in that trash bag. It kind of looks like a body bag.
Huh? But we didn't talk about that. Come, let's just get all the stuff out.
No, like it's already out right next to me. Cannot turn the light on.
Literally failing. Oh,
Hey guys. And there she is.
there she is.
What's
Hey
it?
guys, relax. I was just waiting for you guys to start the video.
Oh,
We started the video.
We're 41 seconds in.
Invite me.
We're 50 seconds into the video. Hurry up. 21. Welcome.
Welcome to
Welcome
cooking.
to or welcome back. Welcome back to Cooking With.
Welcome to Cooking With.
Welcome to Cooking With. What are we? The amateurs.
This is Baking 101. I am your host.
We'll come back to you
when we have an intro.
That baking.
Hey guys, we're back.
We're back. We don't have an intro, but welcome to. We're
Welcome
making
to
brownies.
Baking 101.
We're making brownies. That's all you need to know.
That's rude.
I don't know how to make brownies. I don't actually care.
We're gonna teach her. Get in frame. We're gonna teach her.
I am your host. That shall remain nameless. Ingredients: chocolate,
Chocolate.
plain flour, vanilla extract.
Vanilla extract.
Okay, guys, I'm done, please. Okay, just listing.
Just list the
okay, we're just
ingredients.
listing.
So we have chocolate, cocoa powder.
I meant like on the video over here.
Okay.
Oh.
Anyway, first up,
Edit that. Okay.
we're editing that. Oh, we also have eggs and butter.
Yeah, because what is a brownie without eggs and butter?
Literally.
Yeah, she's gonna
I forgot how much bars we're supposed to break up. I'm not even gonna lie to you at this point.
How about you? I don't think you get to add that much chocolate. Sorry guys, we were in a dilemma.
That turns out we're going out in a bit, so we gotta hurry this up.
When you're so popular among your family.
They want us so bad.
I'm so popular. I'm so popular, but
Oh, my stomach.
they don't know I have TikTok.
So guys, disclaimer, I'm actually lactose intolerant, and the fact I'm eating milk chocolate is really bad. But we have the chocolate for 30 seconds. Here you go. Rosanna Pensino can never. We're so professional.
We're not. It looks like someone who just pissed.
Guys, I
on
need to
chocolate.
confess something.
What?
I have chocolate in my mouth.
I don't care.
Damn.
You have like 10 bars.
4
Okay.
squares. Do my hair 5 seconds.
So we actually need. I'll put this recipe in the description if y'all want to make it. So I'm not gonna get too much into how much sugar. It doesn't say how much sugar we need. Oh wait, 1/4 cup.
Bloody hell, this is your recipe.
I know, guys, custom recipe. Y'all could never right now.
Custom recipe.
Okay, guys.
We
We
can't
have.
get them over to the
Do you know what?
She did not consent.
Do you know what I mean? In the
She
video.
doesn't consent to be in the
She
video.
does not. She does not consent. She does not consent.
She's
She
on
does
the
not
side.
consent. She's on the side. She's basically our parents are going out, so she's our supervisor.
Ew.
Have you started yet?
Yeah.
We melted the chocolate clearly.
We just got told to be forgotten about.
How have they trusted us home alone?
Everyone listen, I'm in charge.
Shut up!
This is
Shut up.
this is actual
You look more stupid with that. What do you mean from a face?
So now we have another member, guys.
Hijabi joke.
Oh, what was the hijabi joke?
It was just like chocolate, ingredients, and a hijabi to make sure your brownies are extra holy.
Yeah.
Let's get this party
Started.
I swear I'm cold-hearted.
There ain't no ghost.
I don't even like the killer shots.
You in the hand
You're
over the
the
rock.
rock, you'll get ripped apart.
Don't try to intimidate.
Your rock is much worse than your bite. Use the baddest of them all. I guess I'm fighting out tonight. Let's go, bring it out. Better give us what we want. If we down, if we don't, it's going down.
Okay, I'm leaving.
Is this even worth it?
Oh, hi.
Language.
Child friendly.
Yeah.
No explicit content.
Microwave
How
that
much
for.
chocolate do we have here?
I don't even know how much chocolate we've
You know
used.
this bar is 150 grams. I thought it was 100. So you literally just need this and this.
It's literally message right there.
Oh.
Okay, so you gotta
Wait,
microwave
did you
this.
melt all of it? We can have super fudgy.
Until
rice,
it's-
fine.
Wait, take this, melt it.
Let me just
So-
double check the quality of this chocolate.
By
I'm
check
not
it, she means
sure.
she's gonna taste it.
She just means
You're
that
so close to the camera.
You just
no
imagine.
unflattering angles.
Move. Let me just see what are we doing. So after this, guys, guess what? We're gonna be extra. If we have any leftover chocolate, we're gonna take the fruit and then eat it.
Then you to crack an egg in the chocolate
No, it's gonna cook.
and drink it.
Ugh. Come, pour it in. If you burn me, I swear to God, I will murder you.
Oh. Don't be suspicious. Don't be suspicious.
The butter is not even melted. Pop broccoli.
Now
need to
watch
have
as you go, as my mom says.
Crack some eggs.
Wait.
I've got 3 eggs. It's 2 eggs.
Oh, is it two? I got one just in case. The next one just in case one of these was messed up.
Really?
No, I
What is
can't.
it? Gonna add some vanilla. Where's your teaspoon? I'll just eyeball it.
No, never. You know what? You're.
Oh, this is interesting.
It's Madagascar. I bought an extra tub, even though I didn't need it.
I don't know because mine is different, so I don't know how strong this is. Oh, that's thick. That's like syrup.
Okay.
Jacob, go on, Jacob.
Jacob, okay.
You couldn't have come up with a better name.
Sorry, I didn't know.
Mix.
Jacob was the first thing I thought of.
Okay, I'm Jacob.
You're Jacob. Jacob Eldori.
Don't put all of it in so we can have some leftovers.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, that looks good, bro.
You gonna mix it?
No,
I'll
she's
mix
gonna-
when she's done.
These perfect guys. Look at the ring light. Look at the ring light. Look at this. Look at the setup.
Oh, that's thick.
She thick. She thick. Thicky Nicky.
She's huge, but she's so beautiful. She's a mammoth, of course.
I'm scared this whisk is gonna break. So here's a little trick if you wanna test the consistency of your batter.
You can
At
eat
this
it.
point,
No. Figure of 8.
good enough.
We're not making macarons.
No, it's just this ribbon.
No, because why does
consistency.
that remind me of Cooking Club?
Can you see this
For
ribbon?
real?
Making ribbons.
I love Cooking Club with all my heart.
Oh, sip.
No.
Yes.
It's fine. We don't need sip then.
We don't need a sieve. So we actually do have a sieve. I actually never use
That's
it.
the exact one that I have. 3/4 of a cup. I use the grams. So I don't know. What's your...
3/4. I just use a half cup at this point and just put 1 whole half cup, which is 2/4.
Stop saying half.
Sorry,
We have
half.
a half cup. And then we need a half of a half. Scoop it up.
Okay.
Scoop it up. Look in here.
Looking, get a good. Make sure it's focused.
Level it off. That's a good.
Now sieve.
Satisfying them. Fall into here more like. Okay, that should be fine. Should be
We feel like a
fine.
bit more.
These are really bad angles, but okay, damn.
Okay, that's definitely it.
It's literally over okay
Clean
now.
up as you go, guys. It's very important.
As my mama says.
So look at this beautiful mountain. Do y'all have a spatula?
No.
Right, I'm gonna fold with a whisk. Good batter. I have this exact knife came in a set of 3.
the other
So, and this is my personal favorite knife.
girl, move.
When I'm butchering my pickles.
No.
I'm gonna cut this chocolate up into little chunks. You can chop this however you like. That's why I prefer having a block of chocolate and just chopping it up, because then I get to choose the size. You know, it's just much more personalized.
It's more flexible.
For me, more flexible, more
Nobody said no.
adjectives that I can't think of. Then you just want to get that in there. Easy peasy, as squeezy lemons. Did you just say my name? Are you talking about me?
Oh. Sorry, Gaga.
I mean, this is optional, but you can save some from
You
the
are Nene.
for Jacob. You can save some for Jacob. No, but this is optional. You can save some for the top of the brownie. It's just for aesthetic purposes.
Guys, stop the video. We have an announcement.
Guys, are we gonna tell them the announcement?
I think we.
Hey guys.
So, guys, wait. We need to wait for Nene to get out the bathroom.
Got it.
You know, I'm just gonna go ahead and put all
Keep
this
recording.
chocolate.
Keep recording. Gaga.
Put more on top. It's literally just for aesthetic purposes. It's like putting 3 extra chocolate chips on your cookies before you bake them. That's literally all it is. Okay, this is optional. I'm personally not gonna do it because we don't have enough chocolate here. You shut up.
So guys,
Don't film.
are we
that.
ready to talk
Guys,
about
we
the
have the
announcement?
announcement. Come on.
Okay,
You know.
I think you might want to put it up there, please. Yeah, thank you. Okay. Okay.
Guys,
So we saw your comments on
last week's video.
and I think we made a decision.
That was unanimous within the group. That was for the best. That camera angle is bent. That
Okay.
is for the betterment of the group.
Okay.
You can announce it.
Oxa's getting kicked off the team.
Huh?
This was not unanimous. I think you guys need to look in the dictionary and find out what unanimous really means.
Now that we're rid of her, and our group is finally as it should be, we can finally live our lives in peace.
I was not going to be told to record.
Alexis is gone. Nick is dead.
Isn't going to get kicked out of the camera, and me, I'm not going to be told what to do anymore.
Guys,
can you hear that?
what's that sound?
Guys.
It's giving a failed villain arc.
It's giving WTF.
Bombastic
Why do you
side-eye.
have so much extra chocolate? Next skip. So butter in.
She's dead. Oh no.
It's raining dramatic effects. Dramatic effects.
Yes, she's dead. The batter be looking a bit runny right now.
That was actually.
It'd be looking like my hair on Friday Eve. Don't.
What's Friday Eve?
Don't worry about it.
Thursday night?
Yes.
I've never heard it being called Friday Eve.
Can you move?
So I'm
Friday
gonna
Eve now.
murder you now.
Okay.
My
Is
little
this small?
pony. So skinny
Or
and
this?
bony.
We need something smaller, but that small tray.
I was
This
supposed
work.
to eat your hand. Your hand was not
This
supposed to
could
eat
work,
my
but
face.
we might not fit all the batter in there.
It's fine. We can make 2 batches.
Alright. God, where's the Jojo? I'm gonna eat this chocolate.
I need to clean up.
Please
Stop.
someone and try that. Girls, get in your seats. Girls, come on, girls. Ow. Chugging time.
It's really hot.
No wonder why.
If you're having trouble putting your parchment paper around your tin, what you want to do is get some butter, just butter this up, and then your parchment paper will stick right on there. So, here's some butter. So you just want to grab something like this, okay, and you're just gonna rub it in there.
Best friend bag.
So you just rub this in there.
Bye.
And now you're.
My YouTube channel with 400 subs.
You have a YouTube channel?
Yeah.
It's fine on YouTube.
360.
I have a reputation. See, I buttered my tin and that parchment paper sticking on there good. Anyways,
Yeah, you guys
bring the
have
batter over, bring them over. Okay. I'm gonna refrain from making any comment on that.
So we're gonna put it into the toilet.
You're not funny.
Thingy that she.
Okay, now I'm going to eat this. Yeah.
It's got raw egg in there and more flour.
I'm
Behind
taking
the
this.
scenes?
Oh,
Wait, it's got raw egg in there.
I don't care. Stop it. Oh, okay. Yeah. Okay. And she was like stopping.
I was like, I literally saved your life. You would die of salmonella. Somewhere in the haze, God, since I've been betrayed. My head gets triggered.
Scratch me.
Oh, it's
Give
that
me
one.
the award.
This one.
Hey, do you know who I am?
To my kitchen. My kitchen, actually. You look like a goth. So here we have. What is this called?
A country?
A pantry? Oh my god, American. Okay. Our pantry. And
Okay.
oh my gosh. So exhibit A is the mold in our food.
Not the mold.
Guys, I'm so sorry.
So here we have the dementor stealing all of our emotions and feelings.
So yeah, oh, did you just call me a dementor?
Yeah, because you're demented. I keep walking.
Okay, wait, hold on. It's recording. I'm too short for this.
Okay, you know what? I'm just gonna.
Okay. Ow.
Okay.
Ow.
Sorry.
Am I allowed to steal on this?
No. So, welcome to today's video. We're making brownies. And that cousin, I don't know where the hell she is, but the door and.
Hey.
You a little thief.
As we're making brownies.
Hello.
Oh, like, okay.
Takes.
Okay.
Okay, so go on that side.
Alright.
You
Guys,
gotta
I fully don't know what
pick
I'm
the
doing.
flour up.
You just gotta
So-
pick something up.
Yeah.
Okay.
We have to waste a lot of enough space to actually.
I am your host. That shall remain nameless.
Pause.
eating-
Go again.
Sorry guys,
Wait, I need toilet. Pause.
The slipper
Toilet.
slip. Oh my god.
Toilet.
I need toilet now too. Number 4. No, I think that was even Whoa, okay. that wasn't me, guys. I don't know what's happening. Okay, come on. So, I am your host. I shall remain nameless.
Shut the door.
Ingredients.
Wait, stop. Shut the door and stay quiet.
Cause they.
I'm gonna show my friend because I made her brownies the other day. And
Did you just pull your sister apart? That's a bit of incest.
cocaine off her arm.
Ew.
That actually looks like it went in your nose.
Okay, cocoa powder.
What am I doing?
Cocoa powder.
Oh.
I'm just oriented and confused.
It went in my nose.
You guys need to look in the dictionary and find out what unanimous really means.
And that she's gone.
She is out of the video.
Yeah.
Yeah, guys.
We're just.
I have my knock. Wait.
Okay, so are we done with this now?
What? Do we not have any more chocolate?
We do. Are we
It's not
done?
on the frame. You can't see it.
Stop.
Time, mother.
He's dying.
Skip. Do I look weird?
Look beautiful and amazing on camera.
Look great, girl.
Did you just say on camera?
Oh,
That's Autumn's knowing this.
Huh?
Okay, never mind.
This means be careful. You did that for real. That was not part of the
stop.
You violated the law.
Stop. This is about dance. What is? Sorry, Christy.
You didn't know that we have one thing.
Stop.
The power of friendship.
My little pony. Your pony.
Thanks.
We're on such a high right now, guys.
Alright guys, put them in the oven. Actually, let me look at the batter.
It's not probably in my leg. She
Do we
wraps her
always
face
use
on
this
my
one?
face.
Do we always use this one?
Yeah.
No, but she's just small.
And then she
That's big.
I know.
scratched me.
She big.
She dumb you.
Nicky.
Get out.
Why have you gotta be so cool? She just took the batter off me. I've got chocolate all over my face now. How do you feel? I feel really sad. Would you like the ball back? Yes, please. Thank you.
Behind the scenes. This is behind the scenes of cooking with this is behind the scenes of cooking 101. She's eating the batter. I'm here vlogging. Them two are cleaning the kitchen because we left it in the mess. I'm not washing the damn dishes.
Who wants to wash the dishes? Nene,
I'm
wash
not.
the dishes.
This is not my house. No one's washing the dishes.
Are you saying don't be? Come here. You want fight? You want fight, man? You want fight? She wants to fight. She wants to fight.
You guys, I'm actually gonna melt chocolate.
Whatever.
PUSSIO.
What was that?
I love you. Ah! Yeah. So
I'm
behind
taking
the
this.
scenes. Oh.
Wait, it's got raw egg in there.
I don't care. Stop being there.
Okay. Yeah. Okay.
I don't understand what her problem is. Like, she's so all the time. Like, I just want to eat the raw cake batter. Let me eat the raw cake batter. What is your problem? For real.
You burnt them?
Oh,
Oh.
it's not that bad. It's okay.
What do you mean that's not that bad? That's bun. You can see the dark spots.
We just scraped the top layer off and no one will ever know.
Could be worse. Oh, it's soft.
Shut the back
Oh my
door.
god.
Oh, I shut it.
Why?
Because it was freezing cold when I came in here.
She didn't shut it. She
Oh,
shut
we
it.
can't set the fire alarm off.
I shut it.
Why is your voice so sonically pleasing to me? I can't figure it out.